Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI 5 days ago. Let me show you, on September the 1st of this year, when the price of this asset was at $7.99. And right here at this very point my main assumption was following. We hit our price target at $8 mark, and at this point we had two possibilities. First of all, with the breakout above the top of our fifth wave at the range of about $8.12 or $8.20, we will confirm the next couple of legs to the upside that should have a shape of ending fifth wave diagonal. Otherwise, with the breakout below this bottom, we will confirm that the top of our fifth wave is right here and we have to see lower price action. And this was my main assumption, that we have to unload this entire movement to the upside that happened during basically from the beginning of August. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and right here at the very next session, right after I made my previous video, we broke this bottom with this movement to the downside, and we confirmed that we completed a 5-wave structure to the upside, and this was at the very top. I don't need these tools right now, and I have to say that we hit the crucial point of this asset right now, $7 mark, and I have to say that it was quite predictable, and as usual I was right in my forecast. So guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, for now there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite a fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and let's take a look on its most recent price action in details. Let's switch to hourly time frame, and let me show you that from this top, guys, we had a retest of the range of support that I marked basically back in the days. Then we had a bounce to the upside, we broke it to the downside, retested from the bottom as the range of resistance, and as in a textbook, with the next session we went lower. And I have to say that this asset is extremely technical. You can watch a lot of my previous videos and you can prove my words that basically I predicted a lot of its movements, and to be honest, I made a lot of money with SOFI. And I have to say that for now we are nearing to the crucial points, and I will show you them in just several minutes. But for now, let's take a look on its fundamentals. First of all, I want to pay your attention to the consensus analyst price target according to market beat. And as you can see, it set at $9.14, which has about 30.43% of upside potential from our current price. But guys, if you take a look right here, you can see that the most recent update was made by the very end of July, and I have to say that you shouldn't rely for 100% on these forecasts, because it is a little bit outdated. As you can see, just 3 forecasts were made in July, 1 in June, and a couple of next ones were made back in April. And that is why, guys, we have a huge volatility on the SOFI's price for the last year and a half, and that is why you have to be cautious. If you take a look at the consensus analyst price target according to TPRanks, you can see that it is a little bit lower at $8.27. But here we can see that among 15 ratings we have 5 analysts who suggest to buy, 7 analysts who suggest to hold, and just 3 analysts who suggest to sell. And as you can see, the lowest price target is set at $4, the highest at $12 mark. And guys, for now, let's take a look on the general sentiment for SOFI stock. If you Google SOFI stock and switch to News tab folder, you will not have a lot of most recent news. The majority of them are quite outdated. As you can see, 1 month ago, 1 month ago, 1 month ago, 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 1 week ago, 2 weeks ago, and just a couple of the most recent ones were made 2 days ago and 1 day ago. And let me show you them one by one. First of all, this article was published on September the 5th, and it's titled, Now's not the time to make a move, says investors about SOFI stock. And he is quite neutral in regards to SOFI. As you can see, he wrote this: given these factors, JR advises investors to remain on the sidelines, maintaining a hold, in other words, neutral rating on SOFI stock. And I have to say that the second article is not so bearish. We have the comparison between Affirm and SOFI, which lending stock is better. And it was also written on September the 5th. And this comparison is quite bullish on SOFI. Let me show you the conclusion. Although Affirm and SOFI utilize two different lending models to place money into the hands of customers, those different models make SOFI look like the better, more stable long-term play. And guys, this is the crucial statement. It is a long-term play. And that is why you have to be cautious with your short-term position, because SOFI has quite substantial volatility. On top of that, if you take a look on the list of institutional investors, and first of all, let me pay your attention to this chart again. It is the level of institutional ownership of SOFI Technologies, and we have the highest level ever for SOFI. This means more and more institutional investors want to have this stock in their investment portfolios. But we don't have a lot of recent activity on this list. We have just one new filing since I made my previous video back in end of August or on September the 1st of this year. And as you can see, Sanctuary Advisors opened completely new position and they invested $870,000. You can see that the next companies sold their position completely, but if you click right here on this tiny icon, you can see that this company had only 500 shares of SOFI. This means that you shouldn't rely on this filing as the catalyst or potential catalyst of SOFI. And guys, let's take a look on its price action again. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, we pretty much confirmed the movement to the upside from this bottom to this top. We completed 5 waves because we broke not only this bottom of the previous wave, but we also broke another range of support that was set at $7.14, as you can see right here. And we are exactly at the next range of support. Let me show you in which direction this asset might go in upcoming week. So if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, you can see that we broke the range of 0.5. And as you can see, guys, how precise this technical analysis is. If I pull it from the bottom to the top on the completed structure of 5 waves, we can see that first of all, we have a very good reaction out of the psychological number of $8 mark. We have first bounce out of this range, then we broke it, retested from the bottom and went lower. Then guys, we have two crucial levels according to according to Elliott wave theory at 0.236 and 0.382. We have a bounce out of 0.382, then we retested from the bottom level of 0.236 and went lower again. Then we retested again 0.382 from the bottom and went lower. We broke 0.5, quite substantial level of support according to Elliott wave theory, and we hit $7 mark, another psychological number. But guys, according to Elliott wave theory, we might have a very good chances to see a trend reversal in the golden pocket range, in the range in between of 0.65 and 0.618. And to be honest, I think I will open another long position, short-term long position, to catch its bounce out of this level. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.